Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Screen copy captures your device display into an editable image or video file. It records everything visible on screen, including system banners and audio when allowed. You can use screen copy to document errors, create tutorials, or save receipts. Most devices call it screenshot, screen capture, or screen recording in settings. The feature saves files to photos or files by default for easy access. You can then annotate, crop, trim, or transcribe the captured content quickly. Open Control Center or press the hardware shortcut to start screen copy. On desktops, press the platform shortcut or launch the Capture app from Toolbar. Tap Record or Capture, then stop when finished to save the file. The saved file appears in Photos or Files within seconds depending on file size. Edit the saved file by cropping, annotating, and exporting as needed. Share directly to email, messaging apps, or cloud storage without leaving the capture interface. Enable microphone for voice narration when recording screen sessions to add spoken instructions. Choose video quality and file format to balance size and clarity for sharing. Disable notifications or enable Do Not Disturb to protect privacy during capture and avoid interruptions. Be mindful of copyrighted video and personal data before sharing recorded material publicly. Regularly clear captures you no longer need to save storage and maintain organization. If a capture fails, check permissions, storage space, and try again after restarting the device.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.